Hello, in this video I'm going to teach you how to tie a hackamore knot. The hackamore knot is used for a bridle that does not have a bit. This is good for some horses that have dental issues because instead of placing pressure on the jaw and mouth, it places pressure on the nose. For tying this knot, you can use any sort of rope. I like to use paracord or something of a similar size. Step 1 is to fold the rope in half, creating a loop. Now hold this with your left hand and fold the top down, creating 2 loops of a similar size. And then you are going to cross one loop over the other and reach into this first loop, up through the middle, down the last loop, and push this top of the loop through the other ropes with your thumb and grab it and pull tight. And then as you're tightening it, pull this down and there you go. You now have a hackamore knot. If this were going to be used as a bridle, then we would put the nose band through here and the weight down here. And this could go over the nose or just hang loose, and then these would be the reins, but they would have to be a lot longer if they were the reins to reach from the bridle to the rider's hands. If it didn't turn out right the first time, that's okay. I'll show you some common mistakes and how to fix those. So as you're tying it, if you just reach straight into this middle instead of through the other loops and grab the rope, does this, creating a different knot. Right, then it's important as you're tying it to remember to pull down the rope on your thumb, and it'll move these ropes that behind down too, and tie the knot. If you forget that, then sometimes you can still fix it. As you pull it tight, if it's wrong, you can just pull that down. And there you go. It's also important to not let these two cross over each other. As you are crossing the loops, hold those tight so they don't cross like that, or else it won't work. And if you do let those cross, then it winds up looking like that. This knot can be tough because even if you tie it right, like this, if you tighten it wrong, then it won't look right. So if I have the right knot, but then if I just pull these, then it looks weird. And so you just have to learn how to tighten it the right way. Keep practicing and you'll figure it out. Congratulations, you can now tie a hackamore knot. Step 1 is to fold the rope in half, creating a loop. Then take the top of the loop and fold it down. Next, cross the loops over each other like this. Reach with your right hand into the first loop, up through the middle and down through the last loop. With the thumb of your left hand, push the top rope through the other two and grab it with your right hand. Pull the rope on the top of your hand down and pull the knot tight.